The formation of atmosphere slowly and gradually gave the rise to the existence of living as well as non-living beings, including various small organisms, plants, mountains, rivers, and many more.
At the beginning, as the nature evolved, it was at its purest. Its beauty was commendable, serene, and eternal. The water was pure, and the air was as clean as it could be. The land was free of pollution and encroachments, and the land was undivided into boundaries. An ethereal place it was.
As there were no mining activities and extractions of elements, the land and the mountains stood undisturbed. There was no garbage or poisonous fluid known at that time, so water was in its purest form. Air was free from all the impurities. There was no external smoke or other substances let into the air. Soil became the home for various living organisms.
प्रकृति की सुंदरता को देख, ओ मन हो जाता है मोहित। प्रकृति की मनोहरता को देख, ओ मन हो जाता है मोहित। प्रकृति की सुंदरता को देख, ओ मन हो जाता है मोहित।
Whether one is watching a thrilling thunderstorm or looking up at a mighty tree, the experience of nature is one of awe. One cannot help but marvel at the intricate design of a single leaf or the roar of a great waterfall. Time spent in nature is time spent realizing that you don't know it all and that you never will. The earth is meant to be enjoyed by its inhabitants. That includes keeping it in the pristine condition in which it was discovered. Everyone has a part of the earth that they relate to the most, whether it is a majestic mountain range, a roaring waterfall, a bouquet of flowers, or the calm of the woods. These are places to get to know oneself and build bonds with family.
As time passed, human beings evolved. They learned using the natural resources to advance the way of living. The, the, the population increased by leaps and bounds. The medical science found ways to increase the human lifespan.
Humans are supposed to be the greatest creations of God. They are gifted to be the most extraordinary living beings of all. They learned to live well using the natural resources around them and flourished their races. The population boomed, and I am gradually feeling the burden. I am unable to take the load. There was a time when meadow, grove, and stream, the earth and every common sight, to me did seem apparelled in celestial light, the glory and the freshness of a dream. It is not now as it hath been of yore, turn wheresoever I may, by night or day. The things which I have seen I now can see no more. The rainbow comes and goes, and lovely is the rose. The moon doth with delight look round her when the heavens are bare. Waters on a starry night are beautiful and fair. The sunshine is a glorious birth, but yet I know, wherever I go, that there hath passed away a glory from the earth. Now, while the birds thus sing a joyous song, and while the young lambs bound, as to the tabor's sound, to me alone there came a thought of grief. A timely utterance gave that thought relief.
ago, 50,000 years or so, when man stood up to be counted. Well, it hasn't taken long to get 7 billion strong. 40 years, 2 billion more. Some people aren't aware, others just don't care. It's time to put your ears to the ground. Whatever your color or creed, you know what we need. We gotta try slow and break down. Yeah, population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, before we run out of luck. 'Cause if we don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. 'Cause if we don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. I've tried to find a word everyone could understand. The universe, a word for every nation. If you are Christian, monastical, Muslim or Hindu, we gotta think for future generations. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, before we run out of luck. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. So click on Google Earth to see what this man is worth. Caring for the world ain't a crime. So an optimistic note, I'm gonna come and clear my throat. Give you the message one more time. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, before we run out of luck. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, gotta give this land a chance. Population, before we run out of luck. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed. 'Cause if you don't slow down, the whole land's gonna get disturbed.
When there is nature's fury, population has been a root cause of massive destruction. Unplanned construction and human habitation has taken away many lives. In recent past, our country has witnessed such disasters. In Uttarakhand, population boom and unplanned construction caused death to many lives. ना जाने क्यों बरस पड़े वो इंद्रदेव इन पहाड़ों पर, नष्ट हुआ हर जर्रा जर्रा, दरार पड़ी दीवारों पर. देख इस जल का जलजला, बिजली कौंध पड़ी नज़ारों पर, छोड़ आया इस बर्बादी को वो न जाने किन सहारों पर. राहत सामग्री की जगह देखो, नेता आए जहाज़ों में, नीचे का मंजर देखो तो लाशें पड़ी थी दरवाज़ों पर. सदा भरी रहने वाली घाटी में आज न कोई मार्ग में था न चौराहों पर. आगे कुआं था तो पीछे खाई, भक्त खड़े थे दो राहों पर. न जाने क्यों बरस पड़े वो इंद्रदेव इन पहाड़ों पर, नष्ट हुआ हर जर्रा जर्रा, दरार पड़ी दीवारों पर।
As population increased, the humans needed space to live, space to build homes, and space to build industries. For all this, they started cutting trees. Not only for this, but as the scientists discovered the structure of trees and discovered that all parts of a tree, big or small, have an abundance of chemicals which could be used to make valuable chemicals.
Oh, the forests have been exploited at their largest. Trees are cut down to be used or sold as fuel or timber, while cleared land is used as pasture for livestock, plantations of commodities, and settlements. The removal of trees without sufficient reforestation has resulted in damage to habitat, biodiversity loss, and extreme dryness. I am suffering. Deforestation is contributing to global warming. How do I protect the human race? How do I protect life on earth?
We are considered to be the most supreme living beings on earth because we have the power to think, the power to express and understand. But look, are we really proving it true? Or we are becoming the destroyers itself?